Hey everybody, Sandale, President of Florida Suncoast Chapter. Hope you're doing well. Here we are, first Saturday in the month of 2026, and we're at Cars and Coffee at BMW Sarasota. Great turnout this morning. Had a bunch of Z's here this morning, all over the parking place. People from all over the country, Connecticut, all points in between. So just out here enjoying the weather. Turned out a really nice morning. Temperature's probably in the 68, 69 bracket by now, and just having a really good time visiting with folks, laying out our plans. Hey, coming up, it's time to move. Either get in or you're going to miss it. The luncheon on the 17th of January in Bradenton, Florida. You got to get to the website. You got to get registered. Make that happen, because we're going to close the registration down on the 12th. And then we're not going to have any openings. So need to get in. We've already got the trophies ordered. We got some really cool stuff. We'll have a DJ there. We're grilling steaks this year. You can come comfortable, leave the coat and tie in the closet. You're not going to have to deal with any of that kind of stuff. So come on out and join us. It'll be a great kickoff for 2026, our first big one. We have several things on the big calendar already. We have the North-South drive that's coming up. We have the drive over to the West Coast to Dr. Color Chip, and just a ton of things just coming at us. There's probably another drive in there that I'm missing, 3 or 4 things, but check the calendar, because there's a lot of events already in the planning stages. We'll be in Naples next. Let's see, I think next Saturday is the Cars and Coffee in Lakeland. Next Sunday is the Cars and Coffee in Naples. And then just check the calendar. There's a ton of stuff from Gainesville, Jacksonville, Tallahassee, Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte, Fort Myers, Tampa area. I mean, there's stuff all over the place. Check the calendar out. Come on and be with us. But if you're going to go to do that lunch, get signed up now, because we're going to close that registration. Until then, happy motoring, y'all. See ya. Thanks.